Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? Square root of s minus 1 plus square root of x minus 2 is equal to 1. Solution. Then we have square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x minus 2 can be written as square root of s minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let x minus 1 is equal to y. So this can be written as square root of y plus square root of y minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let's square both sides of this equation. Square root of y plus square root of y minus 1 all square is equal to 1 square. Now take note of this, that if you have a plus b square, this is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then this can be written as square root of y square plus square root of y minus 1 square plus 2 square root of y multiplied by square root of y minus 1 is equal to 1 square, that is 1. Then this we cancel this, and this we cancel this. We have y plus y minus 1 plus 2. This can be written as root y bracket y minus 1 is equal to 1. Here we have y plus y minus 1 plus 2 root y times y, that is y square, minus y times 1, that is y, is equal to 1. Now let's equate everything to 0. Y plus y, this is 2y minus 1 plus 2 square root of y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Then from here we have 2y minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 2 square root of y square minus y is equal to 0. Now let's divide all through by 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2, this divided by 2, and this divided by 2. This we cancel this we cancel this one, and this 2 we cancel this. Then we have y minus 1 plus square root of y square minus y is equal to 0. Then here we have square root of y square minus y is equal to y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 will become plus 1, then plus y will be minus y. Now let's square both sides of this equation again. We have square root of y square minus y all square is equal to 1 minus y all square. This we cancel this. Then we have y square minus y is equal to 1 minus y all square. So this is y square minus y is equal to 1 minus y square is 1 minus y bracket 1 minus y. Then here we have y square minus y equal to 1 times 1, 1. 1 times minus y, this is minus y times 1, that is minus y multiplied by minus y, that is plus y square. So we have y square minus y equal to 1 minus y minus 1, that is minus 2y plus y square. Then this is y square minus y, this is minus 1 plus 2y minus y square equal to 0. This we cancel this. Now we have minus y plus 2y. This is y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 1. But x minus 1 equal to y. So here we have s minus 1 is equal to y is 1 because we are looking for the value of x. Now, s minus s is equal to 1. If you take this minus 1 to this side, become plus 1. Then s is equal to 2, and this is the value of s. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation square root of s minus 1 plus square root of s minus 2 equal to 1. When s is equal to 2, we have square root of 2 minus 1 plus square root of 2 minus 2 equal to 1. Then square root of 2 minus 1, this is 1, plus square root of 2 minus 2, that is 0, is equal to 1, must be equal to 1. Sorry. Then here square root of 1, this is 1, plus square root of 0, 0 must be equal to 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1, is equal to 1, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.